Hey guys, welcome to this video talking about torc. I'm going to be giving you a quick demonstration of this tool and basically how to use it. If you don't have it installed, it's just one command to install it, assuming you've got Docker, and that is this command here. It's actually listed on the public repo. All you need to do is docker run and specify this. The torc.sh script in the Docker instance will update the client, which is essentially a git pull on the repos I have, which are also available on my GitHub. Once you've got this running, you can actually visit the instance, and it's here. Like, it'll just be your local host and then port 8080 by default. Don't make this public because there's no HTTPS or authentication, and you'll be running commands as root on the Docker instance. So don't expose this publicly. So you've got three tabs here. You've got tool, assessment, and jobs. Jobs is where stuff's going to appear, essentially. So if we run, let's say we specify localhost as the target. Let's say we want to run nmap. We specify a job name. Let's just do that. And that's all we need, really, so we can submit this job now, and you can see it's been submitted to the API, and it's executing the nmap command. The reason I've specified localhost, so now you're getting a lot of stuff from nmap, which is all this. But if we go to jobs and refresh, you can see that this is now listed, and it's actually complete as well because the return code is there. We can now view this. Because I specified -o-a, sorry, because I specified, is it -o? Yeah, that's it, -o-a. Because I specified this, you get three outputs, three files, which are all listed here. So yeah, that's that. So you can do that for all the tools that are listed in here. You can do this. There's not too many right now, but I guess as more people use this, they'll be adding stuff. Sometimes you may wish to run more than one tool at once, and to do that you can specify an assessment. So if we do an infrastructure assessment and specify localhost again, we can run like a bunch of tools against the targets we specify in here. We can specify more than one target in here, but just for demonstration I'm only doing one. So we're saying it's an assessment infra, and that should be all we need. If we submit that, you can now see like a bunch of tools being executed here, and we refresh this again and you can see a whole new set of stuff is running. So we've got the UDP proto scanner, we've got a couple of trace routes, we've got IKE scan, nmap aggressive, NTP monolith, stuff like this. And if the tool hasn't finished running, then you'll get a dash in the return code, under the return code column. A 127 or a non-zero generally means that the script didn't execute successfully, and sometimes you won't get any output, but sometimes you will. Yeah, so this you do get output, but it's just saying the port specs are illegal because I didn't specify a port number. That's not a big deal. Okay, so we can view the stuff individually, like so. Or we can actually view stuff. We can download the outputs, which I guess you'd expect. So there we go. Proto scan is done now. So if I just do that and then export job, you get an output zip, which is created, and then in that zip you'll get the individual tools. So let's just have a look at that. Downloads. Let's have a look. Output.zip. Okay, so we can unzip this now, and we have these files. Okay, and we can do that, and then that, and these are all the tools. So let's just move this to a new screen. There we go. And of course we can cat all this and That's all the tool output. So yeah, that's basically torc. If you've got any questions or any issues, feel free to open some up in my GitHub repo, which is just github.com/rascal999. I was actually the original author of Autopone, but I left NCC and I didn't take the project with me, so torc is kind of a fork of Autopone, but more developed. So yeah, you can catch up with me on my blog at rascal999.co.uk and let me know what you think of it.